Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I put this nice glueless wig on. This was made by me, and also this is from my hairline, prestigehumanhair.com. But before we get started into this tutorial, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and turn on your bell because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So let's jump into this video. So I went ahead and I put my stocking cap on. I got this from Amazon. This is not exactly my color, but it's close. So this is the wig, and it's not bleached. I did not bleach the knots or anything. I just made the wig and just leave it just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on just so that I could get the part in the middle like straight. So as you can see how this hair is very snug onto my head already. I plucked it just a little bit, not too much, because I'm going to go ahead and just fix it up right after this video. I just want to put this on just to show you how all of my wigs are when you order from me. And the color is kind of like a blue purple, but it's more blue than purple. But you can see a hint of the purple in it. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and just part it just so that I can get the center straight. And then I'm going to take it off and just finish the rest. So now I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put a comb in the back, like in the back of the center. I normally put like 3. It depends. But I want to put 1 right now, so I'm going to go ahead. And I also got these combs from Amazon. It came into like a pack. I think it was like 100 in the pack. And I'm just going to go ahead and just sew it on. So now it's all sewed on, and you can see how firm it is. Now I'm going to go ahead, and this is where the glueless come in. This is a elastic band that I also got from Amazon. And I already went ahead and measured it on my head, and I'm just going to cut it off. Then I'm going to go ahead and sew it onto the lace. Okay guys, so I put it onto the mannequin head, and this is the tricky part with this lace with the elastic band. You have to put it into an angle. You cannot put it too close to the end nor too far in. It's just, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like maybe like watch and learn kind of situation. So I like put it into an angle, and it's not too far in and it's not too far out, so that, you know, when you put it on, people could see it. So basically, I'm just going to put it into an angle just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew it on. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to bring the band right to the front, and I'm going to pull it to the other end just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and sew it on. So I thought that my camera was recording, but it wasn't. And I got this also from Amazon. Like, listen, everything that I got here is from Amazon. So Amazon, if you're watching, yeah, just, you know, give me a call or something. So this is what I got from Amazon, and it's kind of like a curve or a grit, like a grit scissors. And normally when you're cutting your lace, you don't cut it straight all the way because it will look weird when you put it on. So you kind of cut it into like a curve, you know, similar curve like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish it off. And as you can see, when I cut it off, you see the grit. So that's what make the lace of your frontal look very, very, very natural. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it right back onto my head. But before I do that, I'm going to take my powder that's similar to my complexion, and I'm going to put it onto the lace, because as I said earlier, I did not bleach the knots. So this is how it looked, and you can see that it definitely matches my skin tone. And the comb is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. And I'm definitely going to make sure that the comb is secure into the back. And I am not gluing this down, guys. I'm leaving it just like this because it's a center part. No one is going to see the side of my hair or nothing like that. So I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. After it's done, I'm going to take it off. So this is how it looks, just like that. Where the lace is, like, let me know, point it out, show me if you can see the lace, because there is no lace at all, baby, none. So I'm going to go ahead and fix it up, and if I do decide to glue it down, this is how it's going to look. You can see that you don't see no lace at all. It's all melt right into my skin. Like, look at that. So now I'm going to show you two videos in one. This is the straight, and then I'm going to show you when it's all curly. So yeah, I'm just going to remind you how it looks without the glue. So don't mind me if I'm kind of showing off, but you know, yeah, I just got to pat myself on the back. So this is one when it's all straight, and then I'm going to show you the other one when it's all curly. So now you can see that I am bouncing around and all of that stuff, and it's not going nowhere at all. This is secure with the comb and also the band. This ain't coming off, honey. So as you can see, the color is kind of like blue purple, but it's mostly like blue. So now it's the other style. This is a curly one. I went ahead and I just curled some off camera. So I'm just gonna do the front, and it's pretty much, you just go ahead and you just take your curling iron and you just curl it up. No need to like show you how I curl this hair. I mean, come on, who don't know how to curl hair? So I'm gonna go ahead and just curl the front just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sebastian hairspray that I also got from Amazon, and this holds very well. If you don't know about the Sebastian hairspray, you need to go get yourself one. I love it so much. Like, it's really, really, really good. So I'm just going to use my hand and just comb it out. And yeah, pretty much I'm just showing you, you know, how the curls look into the hair. And oh guys, this is a Brazilian straight, and it was 1B, and I just color it this color. So I just bleach it and then I color it into this color. Basically, this is it. Nothing too, you know, crazy and dramatic. Just a simple, easy step. Show you how I put my wig on without glue. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. And please leave me a comment. I might cut this here and I might not. But yeah, guys, let me know. I'll definitely see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.